Hi, welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Today we are learning about obfuscation, and for those interested in private coaching, reach out on WhatsApp anytime. Now let's get started. Obfuscation refers to the process of making information difficult to understand or interpret. Now in this video we will explore three common techniques of obfuscation, that is steganography, tokenization and data masking. Each of these methods is widely used to secure sensitive information, but they operate in different ways. Now let's break down each concept and explain it with real-world examples for better understanding. What is obfuscation? It is the practice of transforming information into a form that makes it unreadable, inaccessible, or difficult to interpret without the necessary tools or knowledge. The goal of obfuscation is not necessarily to eliminate the access to the data, but to make unauthorized access more difficult or even meaningless. This is particularly important in industries where privacy and security are top priorities, such as healthcare, finance, and government. In the context of information technology, obfuscation helps protect data from cyber criminals, hackers, and anyone who might misuse it. The three main techniques we will discuss is steganography, tokenization, and data masking, and they are all designed to achieve this goal, although through different approaches. Steganography is the art of hiding data within other, seemingly harmless data. The idea behind steganography is to conceal the very existence of the secret message, making it invisible to the naked eye or to anyone who isn't aware of the hidden information. But how does steganography work? Unlike encryption, which transforms data into a different format, steganography hides the data in plain sight. This technique is most commonly used with digital files such as images, audio, or video. For example, if you have an image of a cat, you could hide a secret text message within the image in such a way that when you look at that image, it appears to be a normal picture. A simple method of steganography works by slightly modifying the color values of individual pixels in the image. And these changes are so small that they are imperceptible to the human eye but can be detected by someone who knows how to extract the hidden data. Let's take an example by hiding a secret message in an image. Imagine you are sending a confidential message to a friend, but you don't want anyone to intercept it. Instead of sending the message as plain text, you can embed it into a photo of a sunset. The photo appears completely normal to anyone who views it, but inside it, there is a hidden data, a secret message or even a file. And to decode it, the recipient would need a specific tool to extract the hidden message. This method of steganography is widely used in areas like espionage and secure communications, as it provides a layer of concealment that encryption alone does not. Tokenization. Now, it is a method of replacing the sensitive information with a unique identifier called a token. The token has no meaning or value on its own and cannot be reverse engineered to reveal the original sensitive data. Tokenization is often used to protect the credit card information, social security numbers, and other personally identifiable information. Now let's see how tokenization works. In tokenization, sensitive data like credit card number is replaced with a random or pseudo-random string of characters, that is the token. The token acts as a stand-in for the original data and it is stored in a secure database. The relationship between the token and the original data is maintained in a separate, highly protected system called a tokenization vault. Only authorized parties can access the tokenization vault and map tokens back to their corresponding sensitive information. For example, tokenizing a credit card number. Let's say you are making an online purchase and need to enter your credit card information. Instead of storing the actual credit card number, the website uses tokenization to replace your number with a token. For instance, your credit card number, say this, could be replaced with a token like this. Even if someone gains access to the token, they cannot use it to get your actual credit card number. Only the authorized system can link the token to the original data. And this makes tokenization an important technique for reducing the risk of data breaches. Tokenization is commonly used in industries that handle sensitive data such as finance, healthcare, and retail. And for example, payment processors use tokenization to ensure that credit card details are not exposed during transactions. Data masking, that is hiding specific parts of data. It involves obscuring specific elements of data to protect sensitive information while maintaining the overall format of the data. Now, this technique is often used when data needs to be used for testing or analysis, but certain sensitive pieces of information must be kept confidential. How data masking works. In data masking, the actual sensitive values are replaced with altered data that resembles the original data but is not real. For example, in a customer database, you might have a column for customer names. And to protect the customer privacy, the names might be replaced with the fake names, while the structure of the database remains unchanged. The masked data can still be used for testing or analysis, but it doesn't expose sensitive information. Now, there are several techniques for data masking, including substitution, that is, replacing real data with fake data that fits the same format. Example, replacing a real phone number with a fake but similarly formatted number. Shuffling, rearranging the characters in data so the original information can't be easily reconstructed. Nulling out, that is, replacing the sensitive data with a null value or an empty space. Encryption. Although encryption is different from data masking, it can sometimes be used as masking technique when keys are not available. For example, masking a social security number. Suppose a company is testing their system using a set of customer data. However, they don't want to expose the actual social security numbers of real people during the testing. Now, using data masking, the SSNs might be changed from this to this or to a randomly generated number. While the format remains the same, this allows the company to test its system without exposing the real personal data. Data masking is commonly used in situations where organizations need to comply with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA, which require that sensitive data be protected. Now, comparison of steganography, tokenization, and data masking. While all the three techniques, that is, steganography, tokenization, and data masking, are used to protect sensitive data, they have different use cases and operate in distinct ways. Steganography works by hiding data within other non-sensitive data, like embedding a secret message in an image or audio file. Its primary goal is to conceal the existence of the hidden information. And tokenization, on the other hand, replaces the sensitive data with meaningless tokens, such as substituting a credit card number with a random string like this. This ensures that even if the token is exposed, it has no value without the tokenization system's vault. Lastly, data masking obscures specific data elements while maintaining the structure of the data. For example, it might replace a social security number with a masked version like this during testing or analysis. Each technique is best suited for different applications: steganography for secure communications, tokenization for payment system and compliance, and data masking for testing, analysis, and ensuring the regulatory compliance. So in conclusion, obfuscation is a critical technique in modern digital landscape for protecting the sensitive information. Whether it's hiding data in plain sight through steganography, replacing the sensitive information with meaningless tokens using tokenization, or obscuring specific parts of the data with data masking. These methods all serve to reduce the risk of unauthorized access and misuse. Each method has its own strength and is suited for different situations, making it important to choose the right one depending on the specific needs of the organization and the type of data being protected. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for more personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website, link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.